My year-over-year growth speaks a lot to having leveraged you. It's worth every dollar. So I've been in real estate for 22 years. I've enjoyed every second of it. Production has been somewhere between 40 and 50 homes per year and about 25 to 26 million in volume. I came across one of my initial marketing books that I used to create my own postcards, my own everything myself. Literally coming up with those pieces was so hard. I'm not a creative person, and not that I can't do it, but the time, the effort, here's all the things I need to do for my clients. And then it was like at the bottom of the list. Nothing I was doing was consistently going out. I need to be focusing on my clients, not on marketing, and that is not my specialty. So not only were the postcards so professional, you were doing the emails, the blog posts, you have made the world of marketing to my clients just so much easier because you've just encompassed everything. I mean, I look at these agents that are like, I need to get this out. Oh, I need to get that invite out. And I'm like, I don't. I just get to send you a message. This is what our office is holding, or this is what I'm doing. You create something and it goes out. I mean, I don't have to sit there and overthink it. That's the best part of hiring someone to do something that you're not the best at. It's leverage. The benefit obviously is the time, right? And if I was doing all of the things that you just talked about, then I'm not able to service my clients as well as I could. And then I watch these agents that do it on their own and they can't exponentially grow their business. My year-over-year growth speaks a lot to having leveraged you. It's worth every dollar. 15 years ago, I had a seller walk into the office that just needed an agent to do a comparative market analysis. I happened to be the agent in the office. I did the evaluation and then put them on within your marketing plan. And I thought many times, like, maybe I should just remove them. And then literally a couple of years ago, they called me and said, hey, we're ready to list our house. And I'm like, that's so kind of you. Why did you think to call me at this time? And they're like, well, you've kept in touch with us. The most important thing I believe in this business to be successful is to stay in front of the client. The importance of sending out the postcards per month, doing the blog, doing the newsletter. My name is in front of them. The quality of what you produce, it is something I would open. And I love that you're part of my team. Like, you are part of this local market. Anyone who hires you is going to exponentially grow their business because, again, it's leverage. And whenever you have really good leverage, you are able to grow more.